Here's something that blows people's minds. Video editors are charging more right now than they did 5 years ago, even though more people are learning video editing than ever before. Why? Because most people quit after 2 weeks, and clients don't care about someone who knows editing. They care about someone who can ship finished videos that actually work. So while everyone's complaining the market is saturated, there's a massive shortage of people who can turn a 3-hour live stream into 5 snackable TikTok clips or turn YouTube footage into a compelling 12-minute video essay. I'm going to show you exactly how to become that person and land clients paying $50 to $150 an hour, starting from zero. Let me hit you with the real market rates first, because this is where most guides lie to you. Fiverr. Yeah, you can charge $25 a gig if you're desperate. But that's not real money. Real money is in 3 places. YouTube creators who need weekly edits, TikTok creators who are making money and can actually pay, and small businesses that are tired of hiring editors who ghost them. A single YouTube creator, let's say someone doing personal finance or fitness content, needs about 2 to 3 edited videos per week. They'll pay anywhere from $150 to $500 per video, depending on their channel size and revenue. That's $600 to $500 per month from one client. And here's the pattern interrupt. Most editors only ever chase Fiverr gigs instead of going direct to creators. They're leaving 10x the money on the table. Now, the learning path. Here's what actually matters and what's noise. You don't need to understand color grading, motion graphics, or advanced visual effects. That's 5% of the money. The 95% of money comes from pacing, audio mixing, finding good B-roll, and knowing how to structure a narrative so people don't click away. If you can take raw footage and cut it so tightly that it feels professional, you win. Learn DaVinci Resolve. It's free. It's what professionals use, and it doesn't require a $50 a month subscription like Adobe. In 30 days of actually practicing, like 4 to 5 hours a day, you can be genuinely competent. I'm not talking Harvard level. I'm talking, this looks professional and I didn't botch the audio, competent. That's the flaw for paid work. The second pattern, interrupt. Your first clients won't come from job boards. They'll come from community. Join Discord servers for YouTube creators, TikTok communities, Slack groups for podcasters, anywhere creators hang out. Tell people what you do. Actually edit a few clips for free for someone with an audience. One free project leads to paid work from their network faster than posting your portfolio 100 times. And here's the thing nobody tells you. A creator with a 10K subscriber channel will pay more reliably than a creator with 1 million subscribers. They're hungry, they're growing, they have money, and they want to reinvest it. Once you land that first client, the path to $5,000 a month becomes obvious. You don't need 5 clients. You need 2 to 3 good clients on retainer. One creator pays you $500 to $800 a month for 2 edits per week. Another pays you $400. Another pays you $300. That's $1,200 right there. Then, you do project work on the side for people who need one-off edits. And here's the beautiful part. Once you've edited 50 videos, the work gets faster. What takes you 4 hours on day 1 takes you 90 minutes by month 4. Same pay, less time. That's leverage. So here's what you do this week. 1. Download DaVinci Resolve right now. 2. Watch one YouTube tutorial on editing fundamentals, not 10. Just 1. 3. Find one creator who doesn't have a professional editor and offer to edit one video for free. Put your best work into it. 4. Use that video as your portfolio piece. You're not building a perfect portfolio. You're building proof that you can ship. I genuinely believe video editing is one of the highest leverage skills for income right now because the demand curve is so steep and the supply of good editors is so low. Everyone sees oversaturated and gives up. You're not going to. Like this video if you're ready to stop scrolling and start earning. Subscribe because we're dropping a full 30-day editing bootcamp video next week where I walk through exact projects and exercises. And comment below, what's the biggest money skill you've always wanted to learn but thought was too hard? Let me know. Disclaimer: this content is educational and designed to inspire action. It's not investment advice or a guarantee of income. Results depend on your effort, market conditions, and execution. Always do your own research before making financial decisions.